Hi guys, customize your vertical machining center and lathe with a variety of different systems. How do we choose them? This is a Siemens system. It offers advanced functionality supporting multi-axis control, high-speed cutting, simulation, and flexible programming capabilities. This is a FANUC system. FANUC is renowned for its high reliability and stability, providing high-speed, stable control and precise precision control for applications requiring high precision machining. Hi guys, now we come to Mitsubishi system. Mitsubishi focuses on high-speed machining performances with its user-friendly features suitable for traditional mechanical and CNC applications. Additionally, we offer a variety of other control systems to choose from. Contact us for the latest updates and explore our full range of options tailored to your specific machining needs.